What's going on there, YouTubers, gun tubers? We got another good one today. Look at here, we got the Q Trash Panda Suppressor. It's a 7.62 suppressor. I got it from a honey badger. Gonna go with that. And this is the box it comes in. It's got like a sleeve over it with this fancy little Trash Panda on the front with some medals. Looks like Napoleon or something, I don't know, but let's take this off. Then you've got another box, another very nice box, and this is what comes inside. You've got a thank you for supporting innovation. You've got a little, that's your manual. You have to QR code, download the manual. Everything's digital these days, right? And then you got the fine print card that I think comes with the firearms too. Looks like a standard card for safety and whatnot. And here's the box. Now the first thing you'll notice if you watched any other unboxing of the Trash Panda or Thunder Chicken, it doesn't have muzzle devices in here anymore. It used to have 2 cherry bombs. Well, I thought it would have them when I bought it. I didn't do enough research, but the new ones, as of April of 2024, they don't come with the cherry bombs anymore. Let's quit talking, let's get to it. All right, here's the bag it comes in. This thing is like almost 7 inches long. I think it was 6.91 or something like that. And here we go. It's made out of titanium and really nice finish. It's almost like the it's a gray silver type finish. They call it bead blasted. Yeah, it's gonna look really good on my honey badger. And yeah, they say it's bead blasted finish. That's the reason they took the cherry bombs out, because they opted for this new finish to go with it. And I tell you, it looks really good, guys. I really do like this finish, so I am happy with that they went with this finish on it, because it's gonna look really good with my on my honey badger. But that's it, guys. That's the new suppressor, and I just wanted to show you what comes in the box, and let y'all take a look at it. And this one doesn't come apart to clean it, so you're on your own on that. Just one piece, but yeah. We're gonna I'll do another video of it with it on the honey badger and let you see what it looks like. But this is just my quick unboxing video. All right, guys, y'all have a good one. We out. Peace.